Hello, for today's vlog. Dede na naman ang baby. Pinag. Oh, it's daddy time with my beautiful langga. Dede time naman. Dede time. What are you playing, langga?
I don't know.
Dede time.
Ha
Haha. Dede time. Breastfeeding time. Breastfeeding time with my langga, Glenda. Glenn Marcia Tungha. What is your name, langga? What is your name? Huh? What is your name? Tell what is your name? My name is Glenn Marcia Tongha. Yay! Guys, whoop, 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 whoop. Cellphone time, while data time. Ay nako, since wala kaming kuryente, it's blackout this afternoon. Wala. Sobrang init dito. Eto, didi na lang si Inday, budada. Papadede muna kami habang naghihintay kami ng kuryente. I don't know what time will the electricity back. And hopefully soon because sobrang init dito. It's very hot in the Philippines. Medyo makapal yata yung kilay ko today. Langga,
Aya!
what are you doing?
I don't know.
You don't know? You're dede. You're going to... Tulya? Nje? Ay, ang bala si Tito Rema! Hello guys, we have a pet here. Si Avocado. Look, Avocado. Hi. Hi, ay, sorry. Hi everyone. Hi Avocado. Hindi ako maka-live stream because walang kuryente, walang signal, wala. So sad. It's okay. Nanda. Marcia. Busy siya guys, busy. So, eto na muna for today's video. Bye! God bless!